is probability statistical or is probability inductive? For instance, on the one hand, you may look in the past and you may, given a set of dice, a pair of dice, you might know every roll that has ever been made with those dice, and you can simply analyze the statistics to figure out the probabilities regarding what those dice are going to do. But it's all in the past. Inductive probability, on the other hand, is the idea that you can roll those dice and there's something about them that is going to make future events turn out the same way. And that somehow you can reason to this. You can actually induce it, right? And that is what is impossible due to something called the problem of induction. Okay? So never was anybody entitled to infer causality from probability. It simply can't be done. Causality is not probabilistic, it's generative. It has to work in a generative language like the CTMU.